Hi, my name's Jessie Scott, aka Chevy Scott on Instagram and my YouTube, and I'm new to the Whimsy video team this month, and I'm excited to make a July fun summer card with you. And I've got a couple things I haven't used in my stash. I've got these fun summery gnomes. And these are really fun for some quick backgrounds that we're going to be doing. And then I wanted to try this frame. This is the Weirdo frame set. So I'm going to see how I can combine all three of these and have maybe two cards today is my goal. We'll see if I make it. Let's get to the fun. Get started with these supplies. Let's clear the desk off. So looking at the paper, there's tons of options in here. There's two of each of these, and as you can see, there's all these different scenes to choose from. I have pre-selected these two. So I was thinking we've got the guy kind of sitting on the beach there, and then we could have her kind of floating off here. And what I like about these slimline panels is that they don't have to be just slimline. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this die and I'm going to cut it out probably in gold because this is going to look real fun against this, but I can frame it out here and then we'll run it through as well on this paper and kind of inlay it. So we'll see how that looks. That's the goal. So I actually saved, this is the negative from when I cut out that black right there. Glad I kept it because now I can use this to basically make it a black card base because I want to make sure we have a nice clean image. So this is just a small Misty, and I have put a photopolymer piece in there so it holds things nice. I think we can just, a little perfection of dots on the bottom there. Some like this, and it gives me that little water detail. Perfect. So now I'm going to get my Olos out. I'm going to speed this up. I am spending all the time coloring for a few minutes here, and I'm doing some peachy tones along with a little bit of pink to give them a little bit of a sunburn kind of look. And then now I'm going in and coloring the hats and the floaty. I decided to have the pop of yellow and some pink and purple for the girl that's going to be floating out there. And then I used the same colors, also incorporating in the turquoise from the water for his little swim shorts. So I really like using the purple hat for him as well, because that is going to bring out that purple in the sunset. Let's do some fussy cutting. I actually loathe fussy cutting, but I'm going to do it for you guys. I'm going to do it for the card. All right. There we go. So it's totally fine that we left all those details because we stamped them. So now I'm going to speed this up because all I'm doing is assembly now. So I've got that black frame, that's the outer part of that cutout of the Weirdo frame set, and then I'm going to inlay the black back into it, and then I'm going to do that inlay of the fun beach scene, and then I'm going to add that golden accent and then glue that little gnome right on there. And then the second card I did all the same thing, I just left the white border. So now let's do some sentiments. So I'm grabbing the Quick Strips die set and the little flagged one, and I did it centered over Life's a Beach because I'm going to center that on some foam tape on this card. You can see me lining that up with my T-square. And then the other one is Summer Days, and I had that one offset just a little bit so I could trim it. I'm going to tuck it under the frame there, and I glued that flat since I'm tucking it under the frame. Oh, and I almost forgot. We need to put something on the back. You need to mark your art, and this is the Handmade Signatures one. I absolutely love all of these. So flipping these over really quick. Both of these, I think I'm going to do handmade because store-bought didn't have enough glitter. I kind of like the thought of a little crown for this card isn't bougie enough for me, like kind of thought. I'm just going to do it because this is the back of the card. We're just, oh, right. And then everybody knows you made it. All right, now I'm done. I swear, I'm done this time. uh, So make sure you always put something on the back of your card because otherwise it's kind of boring. There's nothing on the back. At least put a personal stamp so people know who it is. And I hope you guys had fun today. Hope you get to make some summer cards. See you next time.